Hi, Kaw. How you doing? Okay, you got your sketches up? Try to keep it simple and use familiar symbols. Excellent. Good thinking. My stovetop needs to be a little better. We'll take a look at that. It's supposed to be representing medium heat. I got that. I mean, I thought that was obvious. So let's go ahead and jump. I've got your JPEG up right here. Okay, so I've got to reduce this because I want to make a really important point right here. Okay, take a look at the piece. Now, if you were to say, how do I put this? The dimensions of the piece itself. Now, it's really important in your sketching process, and this is going to be considered a industry standard best practice. Whenever you're doing sketches for clients or for anyone to review, any stakeholder, creative director, art director, collaborating designers, and even clients. You always want to make your sketches relative to the destination size of the file. So for example, our file is 11 by 17. That's the requirement. We can jump over here and we can see here final specifications 11 by 17. Okay, that means 11-inch width and 17-inch height. Of course, in design, the width always comes first, right? So that said, and that said, we take a look at this, and this is not formatted to 11 by 17. So I think it's really, really important that what am I doing? Sorry about that. I think it's really important that you remember to format your sketches, first step, initial sketches, to reflect the destination file size. Okay, so I'm going to have to zoom in here, okay? So we'll go ahead and do that right here. And at this point, I think I can make this a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so we have oats, and we have, boy, I don't know what this is. There are 2 cups of liquid, right? But one, it's like 0 over milk. I don't know what that means. And if I don't know what, is a really good chance that the viewer is not going to know what it means. I mean, is that 0%? Is that skim milk? 0% fat? I'm not sure. So we have to make that specifically clear. And don't forget, the instructions indicate, now this, let's not go off this because this uses words. I don't think this is a great example because it uses words and it uses numbers, and that's not allowed. So I'm not real sure why this was included as an example. But so you want to indicate is this milk or is this water or is it a combination of both? Now don't forget, in the instructions say 2 cups of water, milk, or a combination of both. Okay, so we really got to get that part down right there. So that all goes in the pot. You stir it up, medium heat for 10 minutes, right? So bring to simmer, stirring frequently. Oh, yeah, stirring frequently. You might even include another stir here, just to reinforce stirring frequently. Okay, at that point, you add, when it comes to a simmer, you add the salt, the butter, and the honey, right? Stir it some more, and then medium heat. Simmer and stir until you reach your 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, excellent, excellent. Now, this is where I get a little bit lost right here. So are you saying this spoon seems to be kind of pointed the wrong direction to indicate that you're spooning from here to here? Do you see what I'm saying? So I think this frame can be a little bit more specifically clear. I think that maybe even pouring, let's see, so the examples of pouring the mixture into the bowl. But that one doesn't even really show it very well. But pouring the mixture into the bowl. Apparently I think this says spooning the mixture in the bowl. But either way, make this a little more specifically that the mixture goes into the bowl. Then you add your goodies. Okay, and then your final scene is the goodies with the oatmeal, the spoon, ready to roll, right? So those are my recommendations. I think it's a great start. I think you have a really good understanding of what's happening here. Now, theoretically, to take this to the next step, I'm going to ask you to not use numbers. Okay, and this is the only area you're using numbers is right here in this kind of fraction thing. So we have to indicate water or milk without using numbers, all right? Okay, so great project, great. This is a lot of fun, isn't it? I love this project. Okay, questions or comments, please let me know. I'll be glad to make any necessary clarifications. And great start. Thank you so much for sharing, Cock.